On December 27, Wuling Red Label unveiled a new blockbuster car. The car's history dates back 21 years. This car was once named the world's most important car by Forbes magazine. The front face makes bold innovations while retaining some classic elements. The traditional air intake grille is replaced by a closed design, and the two headlights are open. The side parts have a sharp shape that adds a little agility to the car. When viewed from the side, the body lines are straight. Continuing the tough style of the classic model, the straight waistline extends from the front wheel eyebrow to the rear of the car, as if to convey its solidity and reliability. At the rear of the car, it pays homage to its predecessors. The vertical strip headlights and large area rear window not only increase the visual height of the car, but also maintain its practicality. As a multifunctional vehicle, the most important thing is the practicality of the car. Officially, the entire vehicle has 20 M6 standard threaded mounting holes, and the 14 mounting holes in the tail compartment support common storage compartments. For the installation of expanded accessories, the passenger dashboard can be equipped with multifunctional folding tables, cup holders, mobile phone holders and other devices according to different scenarios, providing rich expanded storage space and unlimited possibilities. The roof is equipped with a luggage rack, providing 2.4 square meters of roof expansion space and further expanding expansion possibilities. The slow charging port at the front of the car supports 220V AC external discharge with a power of up to 3.3 kilowatts, meeting the daily high-power electricity needs of the front row and rear. The compartment is equipped with 12V DC power interfaces, and the maximum discharge power can reach 120W, supporting the use of small electrical appliances such as car refrigerators and ambient lights. The three external discharge function settings are perfectly suitable for users in various working scenarios such as live broadcast and stand installation. It is also unique in terms of seat design. The passenger and rear seats can be folded flat. The initial volume of its trunk reaches 1,623 mm when all seats are folded. The maximum expansion length reaches 2,403 mm, and the tail compartment volume increases to 1117 L. When the rear row is folded flat, the Wuling Zhiguang EV tail compartment measures 408 by 272 by 128 mm. It is also specially optimized for loading scenarios and adopts a double-sided sliding door design with a side door opening of 595 mm, which facilitates the passage of both cargo and people. The trunk door is square-shaped, has an area of over 1, an opening angle of close to 90 degrees, and a maximum height of 1823 mm. The height of the trunk door sill is only 569 mm, which is at knee height, making loading and unloading easier.